English Step by Step, How to Use a and the, Step 3. In this video, I'm going to go through the answers to a practice exercise. You can find the practice exercise in the Step 2 video, so make sure you watch that first. And of course, make sure you watch the Step 1 video in which I give examples and explanations about how to use a and the. So let's go through the answers to this practice exercise. Number 1. The tides of the sea are influenced by, well, in this case we're talking about moon, and then we have to put in the definite article. Why? Because the moon in this context is a unique thing. Number 2. He climbed the tree and sat on one of, in this case, branches, and then we have the branches because it's a specific tree and we know which tree we're talking about. Number 3, she stayed in a flat in, now here we need to use city centre and we have to put in the article which makes it the city centre. And the next part we're talking about the flat, so that's the second time the flat has been mentioned, so we need to use the definite article. In the first sentence it's a small flat, in the second sentence the flat. The next one we can see it's a superlative in the sentence, so we need to find something relevant, which is mosquito. And here again we need to use the definite article. The mosquito is the most dangerous animal in, and then we have world, and in this context we're talking about one particular world which is unique, so it's the world. The next one, here we're talking about an invention. So what is the invention? It's mobile phone, and here we need to put the definite article which is the mobile phone, because here it's a category of thing, it's an invention. Now the next one we need to talk about government, and here we'll put in the definite article the government, because it's a specific unique government. What is the government doing to help? And then again we have a category of people, a social category, and in this case it's the homeless. So there you have lots of examples of when we use the definite article the. So that brings us to the end of this Step 3 video on the use of a and the. Move on to the Step 4 video and the other videos in this series in which I'll talk about using a, the and zero article. So if you like the content of this video, please click like, subscribe, and you can request a lesson in the comments below.